We'll guide you through how to analyze Claude Sonnet 4.6. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the designated poetry analysis platform. Once there, sign in with your credentials if you haven't already. Next, search for Claude Sonnet 4.6 in the search bar at the top of the page. Click on the result that matches to bring up the text of the sonnet. Now, take a moment to read through the sonnet carefully, paying attention to the language and structure. It's important to note the theme and tone set by the author. Claude is known for his vivid imagery and use of metaphor, so make sure to highlight any phrases that stand out to you. Then, look for any annotations or comments provided by the platform. These annotations can provide valuable insights into historical context or literary devices used in the sonnet. If there are none, don't worry, you can still perform your own analysis. Consider the rhyme scheme and meter of the sonnet. Claude often uses iambic pentameter, so check if this pattern is present. Identify any shifts in mood or perspective, which are often indicated by changes in tone or language. If you need further clarification, many platforms offer discussion forums or expert analyses that you can refer to. These resources can give you a deeper understanding of complex lines or themes. Finally, jot down your thoughts and observations. Writing a brief summary of your analysis can help solidify your understanding and provide a useful reference for future studies. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.